Alright guys, here we got a 2017 Salem by Forest River. Very, very good condition. As you can see, the awning is extended and in excellent condition, no rips or tears here. It is a model 27DBK. 27DBK. Tires are in excellent condition. Before I go inside, I'll go around and show you the other side. Power jack, power leveling, power slide, great paint scheme. Overall, great looking trailer. No leaks, no soft spots of any kind. Propane tanks. It's actually got an outdoor kitchen. It's even got a little barbecue pit back here. Here's your outdoor kitchen. Get this up. Sink, refrigerator, barbecue pit over here. Extra storage. Pulls out. Put your little hot plates. Stuff like that, whatever else you want up there. So we're going to go ahead inside. And immediately to your left is what everybody's looking for. You got your bunks. These are full-size bunks. Very roomy and spacious. Lighting. Air conditioning. Bathroom. Commode. Vanity sink. Full-size shower and tub, skylight, exhaust fans. All of your control panel right here. Very easy, nothing fancy and confusing. Remote control works pretty much half of the camper. It's very easy touch button, guys. It's a 2017 model. Very large closet. Sofa turns into a sleeper. Dinette. Very nice, spacious dinette. This also turns into a sleeper as well. Very spacious and modern kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. The refrigerator works off electricity and propane. Stainless steel microwave. Stainless steel 3-burner stove, as well as oven. Double bin sink. Mr. Coffee comes with it, of course. Plenty of storage space up here. Got a flat screen television, radio that also has DVD player, MP3s, all of that stuff. This comes up for extra cabinet space or counter space. And in the rear is the queen size master bedroom with adequate storage. Guys, as you can see, no sagging roof, no dipping floor, no spongy spots, no soft spots, no foul odors of any kind, no rips or tears in the interior, no stains in the carpet. This thing is ready to go. Digital thermostat, speakers, all the safety equipment that you need, O2 alarms, smoke alarms, carbon monoxide alarms, all of that stuff. So guys, don't miss out. Give us a shout, 704-620-8388. 704-620-8388. That is CGM Auto Brokers. We are located in Monroe, North Carolina. Looking forward to helping you guys soon. Thanks.